Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your safety box. First, locate the keyhole or keypad on your box. It's important to identify the type of lock mechanism you have, whether it's a key, a combination, or an electronic keypad. Make sure you have the correct key or the precise combination ready before you begin. This initial step is crucial for a smooth unlocking process. If your safety box uses a traditional key lock, begin by inserting the correct key all the way into the keyhole. Then, turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your specific lock, until you feel the mechanism disengage. Once unlocked, you should be able to pull the door open smoothly. Remember to keep your key in a secure location. For a combination lock, precision is key. Start by turning the dial to the left at least 4 times, stopping on your first number. Then, turn the dial to the right, passing your second number twice and stopping on it the 3rd time. Finally, turn left, passing your 3rd number once and stopping on it the 2nd time. Slowly turn the dial to the right until it stops and the bolt retracts. Electronic keypads offer a convenient way to access your safe. Simply input your personal code using the numbered buttons. After entering the code, press the Enter or Lock button to confirm. You should then see a green light or hear an audible signal indicating the lock has disengaged. If the keypad doesn't respond, check or replace the batteries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.